Hello, this is a quick video for those that interested in a home gardening and have a limited space or now no garden outside. And there's a whole bunch of different ones, but this one we got from Walmart. You can get the same one in Amazon. I'm gonna leave links in the description. So this one is LetPot brand, and this one particular is for 10 pots. You can buy smaller, you can buy bigger, but just to get an idea, this one is for 10 plants, is 14 inches wide and about, with a cable in the back, 8 inches, actually 14 inches long and 8 inches wide. And I mean, this one, as you can see, it's in the kitchen, so you can extend this one like for 12, 14, whatever inches. The cool thing about this one, you can control it with your phone, with the app, and have a few different presetting. You can grow flowers, wedges, and you can set a different brightness. This is LED light, so it doesn't really take much power. So we decided to start with the lettuce over here, and this is after 21 days, and that's what they look like. And the cool thing about that, we have a live cactus on the side. They are really liking this LED lighting as well. Actually, you can see the reflection. That's the red, blue and white. I guess it's pretty good for planting, and you can grow a whole bunch of different stuff, even tomatoes, because like right now, I told you this is like what, 12, 14 inches, but this stand is extendable. You actually can move it. It depends whatever you grow. And I mean, if you grow in tomatoes over there, for example. So this is a pretty cool and neat stuff. I mean, it doesn't take a lot of space, doesn't take a lot of energy, but you know, you can have your own green, fresh vegetables right there in your kitchen. So if you're interested, that's what it looks like. So thank you for watching.